Think 100 times before you take a decision. But once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. There are two powers in the world, one is the sword and the other is the pen. There is a great competition and rivalry between the two. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the women. Democracy is in the blood of the Muslims, who look upon complete equality of mankind, and believe in fraternity, equality, and liberty. With faith, discipline and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Islam expects every Muslim to do this duty, and if we realize our responsibility, time will come soon when we shall justify ourselves worthy of a glorious past. Pakistan not only means freedom and independence but the Muslim ideology which has to be preserved, which has come to us as a precious gift and treasure and which, we hope others will share with us. You have to stand guard over the development and maintenance of Islamic democracy, Islamic social justice and the equality of manhood in your own native soil. The story of Pakistan, its struggle and its achievement, is the very story of great human ideals, struggling to survive in the face of great odds and difficulties. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. I have always maintained that no nation can ever be worthy of its existence that cannot take its women along with the men. No struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. Religion should not be allowed to come into politics. Religion is merely a matter between man and God. You will have to make up for the smallness of your size by your courage and selfless devotion to duty, for it is not the life that matters, but the courage, fortitude, and determination you bring to it. You are free to go to your temples. You are free to go to your mosques or to any other place or worship in this state of Pakistan. You may belong to any religion or caste or creed, that has nothing to do with the business of the state. It is only with united effort and faith in our destiny that we shall be able to translate the Pakistan of our dreams into reality. We are now all Pakistanis, not Balochis, Pathans, Sindhis, Bengalis, Punjabis and so on, and as Pakistanis we must feel, behave and act, and we should be proud to be known as Pakistanis and nothing else. Think well before selecting your leader, and when you have selected him, follow him. But in case you find his policy detrimental to your interests, kick him out. Pakistan not only means freedom and independence but the Muslim ideology which has to be preserved, which has come to us as a precious gift and treasure and which, we hope others will share with us. Expect the best, prepare for the worst.